While we certainly won't remember the year 2020 fondly on the whole, there are multiple products that were released this year that will definitely be remembered by gadget lovers. The budget truly wireless IEM segment grew by leaps and bounds, especially in India, owing to their immense popularity in our price conscious society. For the Digit 01 awards, the winner is chosen based purely on its performance, disregarding any consideration of features, design, build, and price. This year, the Lipotech TY won the Digit 01 award for the best performing budget truly wireless IEM. The Lipotech TY stunned us with its open and natural sound reproduction that even takes swings at the heavyweights in the premium category. The Lipotech TY stunned us with its open and natural sound reproduction that takes swings even at the heavyweights in the premium category. It impressed us with its tight and controlled bass response, detailed mids and highs, and excellent imaging. It also has the best price to performance ratio and bagged the Best Buy title as well. The runner-up in this category proved to be a close race between two products. Ultimately, the One More Color Buds managed to secure the position of the first runner-up in this crowded category. While these aren't as packed with detail as the Lipotech TY across the frequency spectrum, they do a good job staying balanced across frequencies. The earphones reproduce vocals excellently, with most vocal performances sounding full-bodied and detailed. The second runner-up in this category is the Creative Outlier Air Truly Wireless Earphones, where the Creative Outlier Air seriously impressed us was its instrument separation and reproduction of a three-dimensional space. However, the boosted lows slightly soured the overall experience for us, which is why we preferred the One More Color Buds sound profile over it. These were the top contenders in the Budget Truly Wireless IEM category. We'd like to thank all the brands for participating in the Digit 01 awards this year. The contenders pushed the envelope this year, and we're really excited to see what 2021 has in store for us. Thank you.